Yeah, hey guys, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So I am just coming on here very briefly in regards to a follow-up with the Superbwigs. So I guess after my buyer beware video of the Superbwigs, Superbwigs reached out to me and was trying to see how they can pretty much fix the issue. So I'm going to definitely enter screenshots of what was sent to me and what I said to them regarding my wig. So previously they sent me a wig that said that it was 22 inches, 22.5 inches all around, and I spent my hard-earned money on that. That was nothing that was sponsored or anything. I'm not big enough on YouTube to be getting sponsored or anything like that. Everything that you will see on my channel is basically going to be my 100% honest review, and 9 times out of 10 it is bought with my own coin. Anywho, so they sent me, after back and forth conversation, basically they were trying to see how they could fix the issue, and I did appreciate that, but I did try and dispute it on PayPal. But after they told me to alter the wig and all of that stuff, I mean, I was just like, oh, y'all gonna take it back? Like, y'all might try and take the wig back and not refund me. I think crazy like that. But anywho, Superbwigs is a fairly new company to my understanding. But I'm just going to say this. They have a lot of work to do as far as perfecting their craft in this wig world. Otherwise, they are going to go down fast. So, I was sent a 22-inch lace frontal as a replacement to the wig that they gave me. The old wig was too small. This wig, when I first tried it on, and I'll insert the video because this is going to be broken up. I'll insert the video of when I first got the wig. And I was like, okay, cool, it fits, whatever. And I was showing like the inside of the wig and everything. So this wig can actually be finessed, but I'm going to show you where they went wrong. And I want you all to beware of what I'm showing you, okay? This is supposed to be a lace front wig, right? A lace front wig, to my understanding, is supposed to be 13 by 4 or 13 by 6. This isn't a lace frontal. Let me show you the reason why. All of this from here to here, that's lace only, okay? That's lace. If you wanted to do a deep part or anything like that, you can't, because the tracks start, this is the side of the wig. The tracks on this wig starts right here. Do you see that? So from this part of the lace, where my finger is, this part of the lace, this is how much parting space you have on the sides. This is almost kind of like a synthetic, like how they make synthetic units. Okay, I've never saw a wig, a lace front wig made like this, other than synthetic ones. So basically, your only parting, it's almost like you have a closure. So if you plan on pulling this up or anything like that, it's gonna be kind of hard to finesse it, especially if you pluck the wig, because the track starts so close. And as you can see, like if I put it on my hand, I don't know if you can see it real good. You can see the tracks, where the tracks begin. So you really can't finesse it like if you wanted to pull it up in a ponytail. The reason why I don't have this on my head is because when I cut the lace, once I plucked around the hairline and cut the lace, it was too small around here. And that's because it's too, there's no lace. You didn't give me anything to play with right here. So when I lay it on my head, it's kind of like, well, damn, you know, I can't finesse it. So you could wear this like a closure, kind of pull your hair out on the sides and stuff like that. But as far as if you have a small head, my head is fairly small, okay? Like my head is like 21 inches. Okay, so I have a fairly small head, but if your head is big, you might as well not even get this. This is not a frontal. This, to me, this is not a frontal. Just because you got a little lace around here, this isn't a frontal. You cheating people because you making people think that they're getting a whole 13x6 lace frontal. To my understanding, a lace frontal wig, all of this here, all right up in here is supposed to be a lace frontal. I never got a chance to wear this wig. I tried to wash it. It has a very distinct smell. I'm sorry. I understand that they tried to fix the error. They tried to fix what was going on, what was wrong, you know, and I do appreciate the customer service after the fact. They realized that they wouldn't have reached out to me. I guarantee you though that they wouldn't have reached out to me if that YouTube video didn't surface and get so much attention. So it's like at 2.5K views or whatever. So they did contact me. They're still contacting me, letting me know, like, you know, if I can please take down the video and, you know, all of this stuff. But I'm like, if the product isn't right, it's just not right. It is what it is. I mean, whether it affects your sales or not, that should say something to you, like, hey, we need to figure this out and do better. I mean, I'm not saying don't buy from them, but I'm saying buy from them at your own risk. Like with any company, buy at your own risk. Make sure that you review, make sure that you see videos and stuff like that before you just purchase the shit based off of how it looks. You know, that's just me. Okay, but this right here, I mean, they tried, but this ain't it. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry to, I mean, some people, maybe beginners with these lace frontals and stuff like that, they might go for this. This ain't it. This is not it at all. And the lace is all frayed. I don't know. I tried to flat iron this, but I had kind of just got frustrated with the fact that after I cut the lace, it didn't fit, and I kind of just did one of these, put it in a satin little silk wrap, and it's another one that's just not going to be useful for me. I mean, I could finesse it and wear it like as a closure, but who wants to do that? I want to use it for what it was made for. It was made to be a lace frontal, and it don't stick to you. I mean, your hairline, your whole hairline is pretty much gonna be out. It is. That's just the ugly reality of it, and I don't think that they get it. You know, they need somebody to oversee. It's different when you don't have someone who's constantly wearing wigs to oversee what you're trying to do. I get it. Anybody can make a wig at this point, okay? Anybody. Free game. Anybody can make a wig at this point. Is it right though? That's what we trying to figure out. Is it right? Because no. It's a no. It's a big no. Big no. Big no. Big no. Big no. But the hair, when I got the hair, it was soft. It did smell. It had a chemical burnt odor to it. And that's just what it was. But like I said, man, this is what you get. Like, if you want us to do a deep side part, you can't do it, because your tracks start here. Your tracks is literally starting like right here. I don't know what they thought, or if they thought that they could camouflage it. And even if you pluck this, like I said, like if you pluck it, just look, this is where your stuff is starting. I don't know if y'all can see that real good, but this is where it's starting. This is the front of the hair. If you pluck that, detectable, clockable, not cute, not cute at all. I did try the elastic band method, but like I said, I had got so frustrated with the wig. Once I kind of realized, for some reason, I guess when I did the other video, y'all know I be y'all know I likes to get my little sip on. So I really didn't notice it like that. It really didn't register to me that this damn lace is you cheated me. You cheated me right here. You're cheating me right here. This is a closure wig, baby. If they wanted to do this, only thing they needed to do, they should have brought these tracks all the way up to here and made it a closure wig and been done with it, because that's exactly what this is. This is a closure wig. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But that's all, guys. I just wanted to come back in and give you guys an update. I know that I was telling you guys in the comments of the buyer beware video that they reached back out to me, and it was going to be some more content that was coming to you guys, but that's it. That's what they gave me. And again, they gave me one of those strap things that I was talking about the last time. You'll see in the clip that I put before this or after this. They gave me the little elastic band, but the elastic band, it was sewn in already. And what else? The elastic band was sewn in, and the little thing, like the little bra strap thingy that they gave me, it didn't even work. Like, it wasn't even useful. Like, they gave me like the wrong ends. They didn't give me hooks on both of the ends of the elastic band piece. If you order from Superbwigs, you know exactly what the heck I'm talking about too. That little hook thing, they need to not put that in there. Do not sew no extra stuff in there unless people ask for it, because you creating more work for the person. Everybody don't want clips in their wigs. Everybody don't want an elastic band in their wig. Let people be able to customize their wig the way that they want to customize their wig. That's just me. The clips, that's fine. I can cut those out. No issue. But I don't know, man. I'm still a little disappointed, but it is what it is. I'm taking a break from wigs anyways. I'm focusing on my natural hair. I just did myself a silk press. It is kind of old now though, but if you guys want to see an update video on how I do my silk presses, you know, please let me know. My hair is growing out from a pixie cut. I do not have any relaxer. This is just natural tresses here. So I'm going to be doing a video about that. If you guys want to see it, you know, just let me know. But this is my natural though. This is it. But yeah, I just wanted to drop in on you guys. It is Sunday. I'm trying to get this video edited and get it up. I got another video that I did with some Jaclyn Hill product on my eyes and stuff, because I never come on here with makeup. I don't feel like I have the patience to do makeup on YouTube. I don't know, because I feel like I'll be all over the place with it, and I'm not that good with makeup anyways. But yeah, I was going to do that. I might still put that video up. I might, just to show y'all that she can do it all. Okay, she can do it all. My nails are done by me too. I don't have a video on that, but this is like bougie on a budget, because we ain't got time to be spending all of that money. You know, I will be sharing some stuff with you guys about being bougie on a budget. I don't look like this all the time. Hell, it's Sunday, and guess what? I ain't feel like combing my hair. I barely felt like putting on these lashes. It's just like, you know, everyday look. But anywho, y'all, I'm about to go ahead on and tune into power and watch my shows and just kick back and relax on this fine Sunday. But thank you guys so much for tuning into my video. There will be more content coming soon. Like I said, go down into the description, not into the description, into the, please comment down below. Okay, comment down below of the companies that you would like me to try. I've been waiting on y'all. That's why I haven't done no reviews. I'm waiting on y'all to tell me what hair y'all want me to try. So once y'all tell me what hair y'all want me to try, I will go ahead and purchase it, and I'll review it and give you guys my honest 100 opinion about it, because again, sis is buying this with her own coin. Okay, but until next time, thank you guys for tuning in. Love you guys.